Lately, I have been loving my multi-pot. It is an easy way to make some of our favorite food. You can make a variety of food in a multi-pot, from soups to pulled pork to Thanksgiving dinners to dips. Today I'm making my family's favorite nacho dip. First, I use the saute feature to fry the meat. This recipe calls for both sausage and hamburger. I use the multi-pot just like a mini skillet until the meat is browned, and then I hit cancel to turn it off. Now I'll add all of my other ingredients to make my dip. I want to be finished soon, so I'm going to use the pressure cooker to cook it fast. Be sure to add a little extra water to the pot because this is how a multi-pot creates pressure from the steam. Time to shut the lid, close the vent, and set the pressure cooker to cook on high for 10 minutes. Now, here comes the fun part. When it is finished, we need to release the steam from the multi-pot. I use a long-handled spoon or spatula to do this to make sure that I do not burn my hand. When enough pressure is released, the lid will unlock. Stir up the delicious dip and serve with Martin's Potato Rolls Toast Crackers. Find more multi-pot recipes at potatorolls.com.